Yo-ho! How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? How am I? I'm good, thank you. Nyampasu. Yeah. What the hell is a saba? Saba is Japanese for mackerel. It's a type of mackerel. It's a fish. It is a fish. Speaking of, it's a little drafty in here. Huh? Hi. Hey. Hi. Today I'm playing Hightail. Who is this? What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm feeling rather lightheaded today. Abasties. Nope. Okay. She can't hear us. Wait, I should have done that. I should have pretended I couldn't hear you guys. That would have been funny. Why didn't I think of that? Okay, you guys are the streamer now. You're much wittier than I am. You're okay. You stream now. I don't know. I can't hear you.